3, 2, 1, hit it.
Lit.
Yeah.
Well, I'm very proud to announce today that the South Bay Fiber Network, the core ring that will support the entire region, is now complete.
On November 17, 2020, with a ceremonious flip of a switch, the South Bay City's Council of Governments, its 15 city members, community leaders, legislators, and contractors celebrated at a virtual event 4 years in the making, completion of the South Bay Fiber Network.
This was an investment in our future, and I can't wait to see what doors it opens for our communities.
The network's core ring is a 100-mile stretch of fiber optic cable that connects the 15 city halls of the South Bay with high-speed broadband internet. Initially, project partners LA Metro, Los Angeles County Department of Public Works, West Basin Municipal Water District, Beach Cities Health District, South Bay Workforce Investment Board offices, and the Lundquist Institute for Biomedical Innovation will also benefit with access to the network. The South Bay cities can build to extend the network in the future to homes and businesses in the community. Right now, it provides the critical infrastructure for cities and agencies to boldly step into the world of smart applications.
This network will provide a platform for a number of transportation applications. In partnership with Metro, South Bay cities will be able to relieve congestion, improve transit services, and support transportation demand management programs. It will reduce traffic and greenhouse gases through trips not taken as telework continues to increase through COVID and beyond.
The project was conceived in 2016, following departure of high-profile companies from the South Bay, including Kemmering High-Shear. The South Bay Workforce Investment Board, with additional funding from 2nd District LA County Supervisor Mark Ridley Thomas, commissioned a 2-year study by Magellan Advisors. It pinpointed a lack of sufficient and affordable broadband as a challenge South Bay companies and cities were facing.
They were all paying a lot of money for very little bandwidth, and we knew that wouldn't serve them well in the future. So what was unique is that we took the opportunity to work together and get a lower cost, much lower cost in most cases, internet service for our cities and much higher bandwidth.
Such needs could include a backup of service in the event of an emergency.
Through this innovative collaboration, the South Bay COG funded the network capital costs using Los Angeles Metro Measure M sub-regional transportation funds.
Measure M funds are typically used for road improvements, but a coalition that included Metro board member and Inglewood Mayor Jim Butts, with support from County Supervisor Janice Hahn, worked to help the Metropolitan Transportation Authority draw a direct line between broadband and its transportation applications.
If you can stay at home and not drive to work, you take cars off the roadway. If you have a bus system and you need to coordinate operations and you use a computer backbone to do it, you need an internet service connection. Every rapid transit modality at some point or another uses the transfer of data to enhance operations.
This rationale led to Metro's partnership and approval of $6.9 million sub-regional dollars to fund construction costs.
To have control at a city engineer level or at LA County Public Works level to sync all those signals so you could actually move more traffic north and south or east and west through major arterials is going to have a dramatic impact on how people commute and get to and from work or home.
American Dark Fiber began building the network in 2019 alongside subcontractor Gardena-based HP Communications. Race Communications will be the network's ongoing internet service provider. The core ring's completion will mean significant cost savings for cities, all while helping cities to reduce traffic, provide virtual municipal services, and facilitate telehealth and virtual workforce training. This will benefit disadvantaged communities in the South Bay.
This is going to become increasingly important for us statewide to help close the digital divide. We're hoping that this could be a model to build on, to expand so that households, schools, workplaces can access this high-speed internet network
Assemblymember Al Muratsuchi secured state funding to explore these and other applications with support from Ben Allen in the Senate.
The stability of internet is important to me personally because of my role as the mayor of the city of Torrance. We're doing our meetings remotely now, and if we don't have that strong broadband, it wouldn't happen.
When we look at our downtown revitalization and signage and wayfinding across the city, the Torrance Transit Center, I see it only as a benefit.
It's one of those really amazing examples where locals are leading and showing what's possible.
It was your vision that said we need to create digital literacy throughout the South Bay. The South Bay Fiber Network today is the start of that mission.
Stay tuned for the next phase of that vision. For Torrance Citi Cable, Colleen Farrell.